In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a currency converter like this to your Shopify website. Adding them is actually very, very easy. One amazing thing about this currency converter is that it will change the currency based on the location from which you're visiting the website. So how to add this? Very first thing that you need to do is that you need to install this app right here. It's called Nova Currency Converter. Once that is installed, you will be able to see it under the apps section. Simply click on it, and then scroll down and you have to click on Enable in Theme. You will be taken inside of the theme customizer. From there on the left hand side, you have to enable the app embed. Once that is enabled, just save and publish, and your currency converter will actually be shown here. Now, how can you customize this? For example, when you see this currency converter here, you will only be able to see the like rupees, US dollar, euro. If you want to add more options here, what you can do is you can come back and from inside of currency preferences, you can add more preferences here. There's a bunch of other currency options. Let's say I want to add the UAE dirhams here. I can select it and click on save. One other thing is that I can change the design of this. If I want to, I can add a background color, change the background color from white to black if I want. And if I go ahead and save that, as you're able to see that the background color has been changed. Let me change it back to white. Now, if I want to, I can enable this to only be shown on desktop or on mobile, and I can adjust the position of where it is going to be shown. For example, if I don't want it to be shown on the left hand side, instead I want it to be shown on the right, I can come here and select bottom right, save it, and as you'll be able to see, it has been added to the bottom right hand side. Now, one more thing that you need to do is that you need to enable the auto currency conversion, which is going to detect the customer's location, right? If you want it to automatically change the currency based on the customer's location, you have to enable this. Alright, so that is pretty much it. That is how you add a currency converter into your Shopify store. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you for watching, and please take care.